Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a makeover of my room. I've done this a while back, but I didn't really have the time to post it. I lost the clip of what my room looked like before, so this is a video I could pull off of my Snapchat. This is what my room looked like before I did the makeover.
Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open.
I'm gonna make my side table for my bedroom. I ordered this from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description box, or if I'm posting this on Instagram, I'll probably put the name of what it's called in the comment section or the description. And then I got this pin legs, that's what they call them. I forgot what length this is, but I also put information on this. It comes in 4, but I only need 3 for this. And you're also gonna need something like this. If not, you might be able to use a screw, I'm not sure. Let's see how this goes. So the first thing I'm gonna do, because I don't want to leave this like this, you can spray paint if you want, but I'm not spray painting. I'm gonna be using contact paper, the marble one that I use for my dining table. So let's get that done and then I'll get back to you guys. We're done covering the wood. This is the back. I have the pins, the light pins, and they come with screws. So this is how you want to have it placed. I took my duct tape and I just tape each part down so I know where I'm gonna drill into. So right now I'm gonna turn it upside down and do the screws, and that's what it should look like right now. So this is the side table. This is where it came up to. So I had a problem when I was doing it. I realized the wood I got was really thin, so the screws didn't really go in the way they went in, but you know, it wasn't supposed to be. I don't know how to explain it. The screws were longer than the wood, so you could see them right underneath here if I show you. Because initially this screws were supposed to go underneath it, so you won't really see nothing on the surface. But because of what happened, I had to just do it this way. It didn't even really stay. I had to use Gorilla Glue. Guys, if you have not invested in Gorilla Glue, go get it right now, because that's the only way this thing is standing. Gorilla Glue held it so good. So that's a go. They're not sponsored in this video. I'm just saying Gorilla Glue is the bomb. Diggity. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna start placing what I want to place on it, which is the plant over there. My godson is sleeping right there with his badass self, and then yeah, let's do that right now.
Try to give you hints and are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open.
I forgot to mention I did put LED light under my bed to kind of give it a cool effect in the night. This is a video I found on my Snapchat. I couldn't find the clip on my camera. I don't know what happened. I'm really sorry once again. So the next clip you're gonna see what it looks like in the night.